My name is Madeline Seener. I am the coordinator of campus inclusion, and then I also co-direct our summer camp with Caitlin Davis. Our Succeed Summer Enrichment Camp is an overnight camp experience for campers who want to come and experience what the OIPE college experience is like. We also offer a commuter option for students who do not feel comfortable staying on campus during the night. That way, students are able to come first thing in the morning at 7 a.m. and they can stay with us throughout the whole day and leave at 10. So the best candidates for summer camp are students who are in high school. They have to be 17 years and older. They also can be students who have taken a break from after graduating high school and are just trying to figure out what to do next. They want to see if college is something that they want to pursue. It's a great experience. We do traditional workshops around our 4 pillars: live, learn, work, and play. And then we also do traditional campy activities where students are getting involved at the rec center. We're swimming, we're playing on the basketball courts, doing yoga, all fun and campy things. Campers are supported at camp by the Office of Inclusive Postsecondary Education staff that's on campus. We also have overnight RAs that are our alumni from our program, or are going to be second-year students from our program who have excelled in the independent living pillar. Throughout the day, we'll have our RAs with us, some of them, and then we also have the volunteers from across the area who are studying to be future teachers. A lot of those students come from the University of Missouri St. Louis College of Education. We have started a new online platform for campers to apply to our Succeed Summer Enrichment Camp. It is through the Qualtrics app. It's very similar to our paper application, actually identical. Campers can come in, type their first name, last name, all of their information, and then hit this button over here to continue on. And in the application, at the end, there will be a submit button and you can submit and we will get in touch with you. Campers who live in St. Louis City can apply for a scholarship through the St. Louis Office of Developmental Disabilities Resources. It will cover the entire cost of camp. For people that live in St. Louis County or St. Charles County is the Recreation Council. Students can apply for a voucher that will cover $450, I believe. A lot of our campers end up being with us either that following school year or the year after. They come back every year. We have students who always come back and go through our application process, and we support them in all 3 of our pathways. I would say about 75% of students who attend camp end up coming back to our program, or they attend other IPSE programs across the nation. Overall vibe of camp, I would say, is very fun. It's very playful. Students start out being very quiet and not really sure what to do, what to say, and then by the end of camp, they're all really good friends and exchanging phone numbers, Snapchat, Instagram, all the different social media platforms. Looking forward to seeing everyone at camp this summer. If you have any questions, please reach out to our office, and we'll see you all in June or July. Thanks.